12 shots, guys.
12 shots for one color. Not allowed.
Ako na muna.
Sige, Day. So, Day, bokya, Day.
Bakit over yan? Meron siyang hotdog.
Okay. At least may closure ako. Piso daw. Upgrade na nila yung eksena nila. So, they have a stairway to heaven. Uy, alipin mo kahit hindi batid.
Besh, kailangan may intro ka. JM Dubai.
Hi guys, this is JM Dubai. JM in Dubai. Ay, hindi bagay dahil.
So today, we're heading to Algarar next to the Algarar Market.
So this
Collaboration ek kay JM.
mag-umpisa na tayo guys. So hi guys, magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. So we're going out again.
Hi!
And we're going to the market. So this is how we look.
The newest. The newest one.
Itong mga suot natin. Wala, never mind the outfit pala kasi it's not
Nakapambahay lang kami.
it's not outfitting. The outfit.
Fresh.
Dahil fresh pa rin sa foundation dahil di
Fresh
nila
na fresh
alam.
yung hair mo dahil yung bulky siya. Parang
Kasi walang ligo dahil kaya ganyan na siya. So, dito kasi sa Alriga side, there's a lot of market sa Deira side. Actually, kung nagugutom ka and if you're tinatamad magluto, if you go out to your place, there's a lot of options that you can there's a lot of you have a lot of options.
And for today, we're heading to Algarar next to the Algarar Market.
So this market, this Kabayan night market is the biggest night market, as they said. It's the world record night market here in Deira side. So we're gonna have a look kung ano yung ganap nila this time because so last year kasi sila yung parang pinaka-sikat na night market here in Deira. And I don't know this time kung anong mga pakulo nila.
We'll see.
We'll see.
So guys, watch out.
Watch
and
out, guys.
let you know what are the menus.
Yes.
Menus. Ay! Beshi! Dapat din nagpapakilala ka pala. You need to introduce like, hi guys, this is JM Dubai.
Ay.
Ganun! Beshi, kailangan may intro ka. JM Dubai.
Hi guys, this is JM Dubai. JM in Dubai. Ay, hindi bagay dahil.
Ay,
So this is JM at your daily
May
life.
nag-message pala sa'yo.
So guys, pag baka meron kayong idea na kung anong gusto nyong itawag sa channel kung tatlo lang yung nanonood, i-ano nyo na lang dyan. I-comment below. Comment down below kung ano
Comment
yung
down below.
kung ano yung sa tingin yung magandang pangalan ng channel ko.
Yes. Mag-hi na. Hi, kuya.
Libo-libo mong views.
Ah.
So, Beshi, we are almost
We are here to collaborate.
Ha?
Nakiki-collaborate lang ako kay JM Arsan. So, pwede nyo rin akong i-follow sa YouTube channel ko pero hindi yun active. So, makiki-ano na lang ako.
Eksena.
Collaboration ek kay JM. So yun guys, pupunta tayo sa night market. It's just in front of Alriga. Kung sino yung interested pumunta dito. Actually sila yung pinaka-late na nagbukas ng night market. Pero para sa amin, ito ang pinaka-paborito namin kasi sa kanila nag-start yung ABCO din. ABCO din, baka naman.
Shout out.
Favorite ko yung ABCO din sa kanila kasi biruin mo 2 dirhams lang per stick. Meron ka ng mini hotpot.
Ay, oh.
Tsaka meron silang game area. They actually have this is the only night market that they have the perya.
Yes.
Peryahan.
Yes. At pwede kang manalo guys ng Redmi cellphone or cash.
So this is the back door. This is the back door. Ang taray naman itong pa-fruits nila. food ay.
Kayo pala. Ay, oo. Pagkulang nga, no? Pinagandaan nila, Ben.
Daming tao. Oh, upgrade na nila yung eksena nila. So, they have a stairway to heaven. Stairway to heaven. Ang galing. So, meron na silang second floor. So, if you wanna eat upstairs, you can also do that. Actually, pinalawak nila yung food.
Marami ng ibang lahi.
Oo nga. Dito na tayo.
Kahit late sila nagbukas, no?
Wala man yan sa ano.
May uniform sila. Yung winter night market. Kaya wala namang idudumi pa ng lamesa. So this is the struggle. Mamili kung anong kakainin.
Hi mga beshi ko.
Kaya na lang, gusto mo dito.
Ano gusto mo, Odette?
Ako muna kasi, J.
Sige, kama men.
Hindi pinagandaan talaga nila. Walang ganyan sa ano.
Oo. So ibang level yung ginawa nila ngayon sa winter night market. Nandito kami sa sa Thailand. Sa Thailand. Nasa Pattaya, Thailand po kami ngayon. So
Hindi ba ako maniwala naman sila? No guys, we're just here in Dubai. Market area.
tignan mo to, ngarag na
Meron naman
agad.
silang second floor eh, pero feeling ko puno na. Maganda rin sana dahil kung sa taas tayo.
Oh. At saka may ready sila sa sa ulan.
Yeah.
Kasi they covered.
Last time kasi
the last time it was open. Tsaka iba yung atake ng stage nila dahil. Oo. Grabe naman. Grabe naman yung joke na yun.
Magagawa.
Grabe naman. Oh. Nagagalit siya sa atin dahil. I'm sorry, huwag mo akong hahampasin ng
Guys, only here in Dubai you can find someone is wearing Gucci brand.
na nagwawalis ng
Nagwawalis. Love it. Ako nga kantan ko yun ng we're going up, up, up.
What are we going to eat?
Ay, maganda tayo.
Mag-inasal?
Lemon juice.
Thank you.
Minasan na lang tayo. Para maganda yung nagmumukbang tayo.
Ay, alipin mo kahit hindi batid. Aaminin ko minsan ako'y manhid.
Sana sila dito guys kasi imagine everyday like this.
Ngayon sa kabila langaw na. Langaw later. The only thing that I'm concerned about in this place, the chairs.
Yeah.
It's not that
parang hindi nila in-upgrade.
it's
But
not
it's fine as long as the
it's fine,
the
yeah,
location
but
is
it's hard to sit down. Wala siyang foam. Ano yun, me?
Alam mo dahil, sa isip-isip ko lang dito, sana dito na lang sila nag-ano.
Alam mo ba?
Hilda, no? Hilda, I think the best place for you to have a business is here.
Pero siguro, I think the rent is much higher.
Ay, really? Because it's near to the ano kasi, no?
The demand of the rent is much higher than sa iba.
Sa bagay yung mga nagtaga dun kasi, mas pipili nilang doon na lang kasi syempre, almost same lang naman ng mga ano eh. Oy guys, huwag mo yung kami i-basher Fresh talaga kami. Ito lang kami
At saka yung gusto ko dito sa sa DJI is I don't have to put any filter.
Ay ganun, because it's natural
kasi
na
pag nag-vlog ako na I'm using my iPhone, I'm still using filter on my face. But this one, I like the way how natural the camera is.
Diba dahil?
Uy, alipin mo kahit hindi batid. Aaminin ko minsan ako'y mali. Yeah, Karama. Iyong maririnig. Hindi ko nga alam kung paano ko mapaparami yung subscribers ko sa YouTube eh. Yung gusto ko kasi yung gusto ko yung gusto ko yung authentic subscribers, yung yung mag-aano sila, yung i-subscribe nila yung channel ko because they love the content that I'm doing or something like that. Kasi by that, manonood sila ng content mo. Kumbaga,
Momo Corner. Alex.
yung chicken skin. Chicken booty, bibili ako niyan.
Beat the hit, hang. Beat the
Magkano
hit
yung ano
number
So, Beshi, what is your first?
Ay,
Dito pala mag-order. Si Madam pala ang the finale.
chicken bag. 106. Chicken bag. Per stick ba siya or per ano?
3-10.
Tatlo sa
Ito, panderansa. Yeah, my order.
Ay, di ba?
Hindi pwedeng mix ko. Ay, may merienda rin pala dito. Ay, Day, parang may Taiwan food sila dito, Day. Pero ganun lang din, same lang. Mangga May niya. Ate, oh. 9. Thank you, madam.
Lulu.
Don't say.
Mas okay dito. Pwedeng mix daw. Pwede nang mix, di ba?
Di ba? Ganun sila kung hindi pwedeng mag-mix.
Palay. Oh.
At saka chicken booty. Ito gusto ko. So yun guys, agree. Organize sila. Pinaghandaan nila yung yung pwesto nila.
Yung queue nila.
Ay gusto ko rin doon guys because pwede silang mag-mix. Meron kasing mga iba yung mag-mix. Yung iba naman mahal. Pero the best pa rin dito sa kabila yung 2 dirhams per stick.
Brisket na.
Gusto mo hati tayo niyan, Day?
sige.
Yan na lang tayo.
Isang brisket overload sa inyo. Isang brisket overload guys. Ay, wala. Nakaano tayo. Baka mamaya sabihin.
Hindi.
Kung ba nakamasarap na brisket overload dyan. Kasi baka mabas tayo sa social media.
Charot lang. Ay, hindi tayo. Hindi ako sinuklian ni ate.
Wala doon. Magkano binili mo?
50.
Ako na lang dito.
Hindi ako. May 1 dirham ako kanina naglaglagan sa sa short ko.
Ano mga shop nila?
Ay, lamesa. Ay, meron na. Lamesa. Piso daw. Sige, contest ba yan or what? Thank you. Ito, Day. Bakit overload? Bakit overload?
Bakit overload? Meron siyang hotdog.
Okay. At least may closure ako. Kaya pala. Kasi may hotdog. Okay. Sige lang, okay lang. Hindi na naman kami nagmamadali.
Hindi natin yung ano doon.
Babalik.
Balik kami din.
Dahil sabi ni ate, noodles! 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 Turkey ba to? Hindi. Sobrang laki parang. Kuya, sama na lang po dito. Para isang pito. Thank you po. Dahil gusto ko tong ano nila dito, organize sila.
Yes.
Tignan mo, kunti lang yung staff nila, pero ano sila, they are organized. The organization.
Exactly.
So guys, this is what we have. We have a kwek-kwek, tuhog-tuhog, isaw-isaw. And we have the brisket. And we have the all-time favorite.
Ni Ace.
Anong tawag nito?
Odin.
Oden. And then the dessert is, anong tawag niyan?
Ang tawag naman.
Puto bumbum with cheese and egg.
Salted egg.
Okay.
Timpla nila, ganun pa rin.
Hi guys. This is po. Salamat. Parang iba yung kanila.
Masarap.
Try.
Isaw guys. Hi, so this is what I choose for my drinks. It's a buko shake. Chararat. Parang may lasa siya. Ang tingin. May aftertaste. So hindi siya yung katulad sa buko sa Pilipinas na buko shake na masarap. This one is like, it's fine. 10. 10. Meron siyang aftertaste. Para siyang may gamot sa loob. Sabi ko na po ka.
Ha?
In fairness, avocado talaga siya ha. Avocado talaga.
Kinuha na yung mga kutsara. Hindi masyado matamis eh.
Ha?
Hindi masyado matamis.
So, we're done eating and now we're going to the play zone area.
And now we're going to the...
Ala, may pusa. So, Mickey. Sana all pwede siyang lumabas. Ala, yung mukha niyo. Anong lahi nga to, te?
Persian.
Persian. Ayun yung original Persian.
Si Zeus kasi peke.
Si Zeus ano eh. May lahi
Hi,
na.
baby. Oh my God, nanganday mga from yun.
Anong pangalan niya?
Ay, meow.
Misu?
Mataba siya. Mataba siya. Ayaw niya. Ay, miss
Bobby!
Kanya tatadyakan ko itong mga te.
Ang laki. Mataba siya. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Okay. I will show you to
Zeus.
Zeus.
Sugar, Dylan, and Baga.
Yeah.
You have cat there also?
Yes, 4.
We have 4 cats.
Bye, Misu!
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Mimi. Haba ng hair niya.
How much?
Tenderham. Oh. So the mechanics is you will throw the ball. How many balls?
5 balls.
The
5 balls?
mechanics is you throw the ball, includes kuya.
Knock 10 glasses out of the table. Wins first prize.
Okay, I will do the first one.
Knock 8 glasses out of the table. Win the second prize.
Okay.
But if we hit you the ball, no prize. Not allowed.
Ay, ako na muna.
Sige, Dai. So, Dai Bokya, Dai.
Ikaw naman.
My turn.
Beshi.
Ako. Baka screen lang yan.
Go, Beshi.
Isa.
Tatlo,
That is
Day.
third.
Isa lang.
That's our third ball.
Bakit?
Hindi talaga kaya.
One more. Okay. Day,
Day, ikaw na, Day.
Wait lang, Jay. Wait.
Saan yung titirahin ko? Ayun. Ay, sa gilid na lang.
Kababa na lang, Day. Para na.
So, we get nothing. One more. Isa pa daw. Wala.
Still eh.
Kasi naman, dikit-dikit eh. Kuya, yung tsinelas ko naman. Thank you, kuya. Yeah, titi. One more.
Oh, thank you so much.
Oh, we still have... this is perfect for Christmas.
Kuya, what is the ano?
So, we get a prize.
What is
Try.
the
This is not counted, ah. I just want to...
practice?
Ganun dapat.
Ow!
Easy.
Ay, hindi pa pala tayo nagbayad nun.
Ben.
Okay, let's try one more time.
So, hindi kami nanalo, pero naawa sila sa amin. Binigyan kami ng prize.
Dapat nagdala nila.
Wala, ang galing mo naman, kuya.
Nice.
Ito. This is the classic, ano.
And the game's done.
See? Only one? Ito. 6.
7.
10 dirhams.
If you will play 8.
8.
If he will play 7. If he will play 6.
So I did one already.
Yes. So out of 7
5
piece,
balloons, same color.
if same
First prize.
5 blue or 5 pink, you get the first prize from here.
Ah.
If mix 5, from here.
Ah.
If nothing, there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Oh,
See?
one already done.
We have one prize.
That was a trial, right?
Oh, it's included.
Put more balls.
Kuya, what is
It's
this?
included. Okay.
Included.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 dots is here, and the one
Oh,
we
it's
counted.
your turn na.
We need to hit blue.
Blue.
Pink!
It's pink. So,
One blue.
anong hinahit mo?
Blue dapat.
Pero,
Blue or pink? Because you got one blue, one pink.
Kaya mo yan, Day.
baka sa mukha ni kuya ko matama.
Okay.
Perfect.
Two blue.
Two blue.
Come on.
So we got two. So far we got 2 blue and 1
Two
pink.
blue, one pink.
One pink.
2 pink.
One any for the second prize.
1 any for the second prize.
Mga kailangan may matamaan ka kahit anong kulay na lang.
True. 3 blue.
Three blue.
Two pink.
Already second prize.
Ay!
Pink na naman.
Either 2 blue or 2 pink. You get the first prize.
Go, Jay.
Blue, Day. Boom!
One more blue for the first prize.
Beshi, kaya mo yan!
Can I hit that one?
Okay.
Only one more
One
blue
more
for
blue.
It's okay.
It's fine. Second prize is fine.
Brother.
So we had a good game, but unfortunately we didn't reach 5 in one color.
Day, unicorn, Day.
Unicorn. Unicorn.
We love
Yeah. This one unicorn. So it's supposed to be 5 colors in each. 5 color
Okay.
in first prize. But since we didn't have the 5 color,
We're in the, ano,
Yeah.
the second row.
parang hindi na ako marunong English dahil at least we pop 5 balloons.
lot.
Ayun,
Ah,
you didn't miss
Alam mo,
anything.
gusto
Yes.
na ito ni Zeus.
Truly.
Mainit na siya, Dar.
So we got the second prize because unfortunately we didn't pop 5 balloons in one color because it's supposed to be 5 balloons in one color. It's either pink or blue, but we didn't pop 5 in one color, so we get the second prize. So this is our prize. Okay, this is. Thank you. Salamat.
If 8 different, you will get the second prize.
We have 12 shots, guys.
12 shots for one color. 5 color.
Okay, kuya, these are premium, ah.
Okay, 1.
Black.
Paano? Tingin mo.
Yes.
Ano? Ito?
Black, ha?
2.
2 black.
Hindi. It's brown.
It's brown.
2. 3. 4.
Patira.
Ay! Perfect.
Ilang ano, ilang
5. 6. 7. 8.
That's easy.
ay paano? Wala na?
Dito mo itutok, wag sa kanila kasi delikado.
Day ano mo. Parang hindi ko kaya.
9.
Wala no?
10.
Tutok mo siya sa akin.
2 more.
Baba. Iba yung baso, yung puwet mo. Dito
Ah.
mo siya.
Okay.
Puwet.
Ito?
Nakikita mo, dapat puwet yun na.
Try 1. 11. 1
Sige
more.
pa. Sige pa. Last shot. Puwet.
Ano nangyari?
We still have 8. We get 8 targets, guys.
What price do we have? Second
First
prize?
Ah, yeah, the one that, ano yun?
Oh, this one, this one.
Kuya, this one na the cut.
We can take.
We can take the up
So,
one.
yung sinto.
The orangutan too. Yes.
Yeah, the cut. Thank you.
Welcome.
So far, this is our prize, guys.
Yeah. These are po guys, marami kaming na-achieve ngayong araw na to.
We achieved 3 stop toys and lots of calories.
Are you guys vloggers?
Yeah.
Why, you want to say hi?
You want to say hi to our vlog?
Hi.
What's your name? Where you
Where's your
from? Wait lang, dahawakan mo nga
Bigyan mo
kasi.
kaya siya ng ano.
Where are you from? Do you live here?
No, in Dera.
Who's with you right now?
No one.
No one?
My mom's in Yogurt.
You have the car.
Huh?
You have car? Where's your mom?
In Yogurt.
Like,
Try?
this is your business. That's yours. So you're invited.
Heart of Market?
No, the yogurt. So this is your, that's your mom's
Okay, this is
business.
for you.
Okay, so who's there now?
My mom and my brother. Sister.
So this the yogurt is your business, your family business. So you're inviting us to go there to try your yogurt? Okay, we can do that. We're so full. We can try and then maybe next time we can buy. Exactly.
yogurt.
Thank you. What's your name again?
Abdullah and Hazim.
Abdul Namhazin. Okay, nice to meet
Guys,
you.
For those who wanted to have a yogurt,
Yes.
please
So that's
have
their
a look
business.
on this.
Anyone that in Ariga side, Dera side, so you can visit there. You actually, I've been seeing this shop for quite a while, but I really wanted to try this one, but I don't know. Let's try. We'll try it and then free taste, yeah. Okay, then it's free.
Meron din silang upuan.
Hi.
Yeah, uupo sana ako.
Diba? Cool.
This is 24 hours?
No.
Yeah, if it's possible.
Can taste test.
Amazing.
This is avocado.
No, this is mango.
Mango.
Sarap.
Incredible.
How much is the pen?
You're nice.
They're so cool. We like that. Actually, we don't know that there's no dessert here. If we knew, then we should have it.
Wow.
See?
Actually, it's good.
Maybe next time.
We'll just take the small one.
Yeah, sure. First one.
Yeah.
Actually, guys, it's
Like the
very
mango,
good.
we will check or what? The mango na lang.
Yeah,
Okay.
they have also strawberry and what is the flavors?
Sorry?
Mango.
What is the flavors?
We have strawberry, mango, chocolate.
Mm,
And
Okay, let's go to that.
the mango.
The mango.
mango.
Okay.
100 grams is 8 dirhams by the way.
Okay.
Alright, you can tell me when to stop, yeah?
Ah, okay. It's per kg.
Ano na?
It's per kg.
Okay.
I think it's fine.
Okay. Would you like toppings?
Is it additional?
No, together.
Ah, it's already coming in.
Yeah.
Maybe the mango as well.
Alright.
Yeah.
And the kiwi.
Sure.
Thank
you
you.
can tell me when to stop. Oh no.
It's okay. Yeah, it's fine.
Alright.
Or blueberries or
Blueberries.
yes. I think it's fine.
Would you like popping govas?
Yeah, it's fine. It's
Popping
okay.
govas.
No.
Alright.
Only the fresh berries.
Is that fine?
Yeah, that's fine. Per ano siya, per grams.
How much?
20.
So it's per gram, so it depends. So
Isa-
per gram,
Gemini Discover.
20 ata. Disconnect. Nalobat na yung
So he's a businessman.
Yeah, actually.
Nice. He's nice guy.
I love the way how
Approach
yeah,
us.
approach us. It's marketing. He
He was calling you guys?
Yes.
now he saw us that we were vlogging and he
Are you a
approached us.
vlogger? Like that?
So strategy of marketing. So I think I know his future.
Yes,
Marketing.
exactly.
Marketing at X. So we just
I told him
discovered
if
this
he wants
one.
this.
This place. This what's the name? Young Heart. Young Heart. So it's Young Heart and
You're only free here Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
All small.
bubble tea.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Actually, it's really good. I
Hindi
like
siya masyadong matamis.
hindi siya masyadong matamis. And then what attract me the most is the business itself and how their family is doing it together,
Supporting each other.
putting all the effort together just to support their business, which is actually really really good. And the kid was amazing. I mean, the strategy of marketing is I can't even think about
And it-
ano ba yun? Ang sasabihin ko? I mean, it's beyond.